Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing the top
15.
tips for creating a stunning garden decor piece using pebbles. These tips will help you create a beautiful and easy to maintain waterfall feature in your garden. So let's get started. Tip 1. Choose the right pebbles size. When selecting pebbles for your waterfall, it's important to choose the right size. Avoid using large rocks as they can create an unbalanced look and make it difficult for water to flow. Instead, opt for medium to small size pebbles that will create a cohesive and natural look. Tip number 2. Plan your design. Before you start, it's important to have a clear plan in mind for your garden decor. Think about the size, shape, and overall look you want to achieve. Sketch out your design on paper to help you visualize it before you start. Tip 3. Use a strong base. The base of your waterfall is crucial to its stability. Choose a sturdy and level surface, such as a concrete slab or a flat stone, to ensure your waterfall remains stable over time. Tip 4. Create a gradual slope. For the water to flow smoothly, it's important to create a gradual slope. Start with a higher point and gradually decrease the height as you go, creating a natural and gentle slope. Tip 5. Layer your pebbles. To create a natural looking waterfall, it's important to layer your pebbles. Start with larger pebbles at the bottom and gradually build up to similar pebbles at the top. This will create a layered and cohesive look. Tip 6. Add a water pump. To create the water effect, you will need a water pump. Choose a pump that is appropriate for the size of your waterfall and has a flow rate that will create the desired effect. Tip number 7. Use a reservoir to store the water for your waterfall. Consider using a reservoir. A reservoir will help to keep your garden from becoming flooded and will make it easier to maintain the water level in your waterfall. Tip 8. Add lighting. Adding lighting to your waterfall will enhance its beauty and create a stunning nighttime display. Choose waterfall lights that are appropriate for outdoor use. Place them strategically to highlight the flow of water. Tip 9. Incorporate plants. Adding plants to your garden decor will create a more natural look and help to create a harmonious balance. Consider adding plants that are well suited to damp conditions such as ferns or mosses. Tip 10. Maintenance. Remember to regularly maintenance your garden decor. Clean the pebbles, remove any debris, and check the water pump and lights to ensure everything is working properly. Tip 11. Add a waterfall spillway. Consider adding a waterfall spillway, which is a flat surface that helps to disturb the water evenly. This will create a more natural and aesthetically pleasing flow of water. Step 12. Use colored pebbles. To add a pop of color to your garden decor, consider using colored pebbles. Choose colors that complement your surrounding landscape and add interest to your waterfall. Tip 13. Consider the sound of water. The sound water of flowing water can be very calming and relaxing. To enhance this experience, consider incorporating different elements such as rocks or stones to create a unique and soothing sound. Tip 14. Create a focal point. Consider creating a focal point in your garden decor, such as a statue or a large rock formation. This will draw the eye and create an attractive visual center for your waterfall. Tip 15. Consider the view from inside your home. If you have a view of your garden decor from inside your home, consider how it will look from this perspective. Please elements such as plants or lighting in a way that will create a beautiful home.